Well, this little fella is Mirai Tawa, and he is the Olympic mascot for Tokyo 2020, on display today here at the 1 year to go celebrations down in central Tokyo. And as you can see, this very animated little character is going to be a centerpiece of Tokyo's high-tech games. We keep talking about all of the technological advances that Tokyo is going to unveil for us. Well, robots will play a significant part of that, not just in the mascots here, but also in robot tourist services. Tourists can get directions and translation assistance from various robots that they're planning to put at venues across the 33 games of these Tokyo Olympics, which of course start in 12 months' time.